Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Let's get this bag, YouTube. Let's get this money, all right? Full breakdown tutorial, OfferNation. All right, we ain't gonna talk too much. We're gonna get step by step and we're gonna get straight to the bag, all right? Legendary stats. I'm gonna show you backstage office. Legendary stats, all right, people? Like I said, 100% free. Alright, people, so it's free online money maker. This is what we do. New to the channel, subscribe, show me some love. Like I said, people, every single day I just show you what works. I cash out and I just show you what's working and what I use all the time, every single day for years. Alright, like years, over and over, just continue using it. I have about 20 to 30 different sites that I do use. Alright, so like I said, go through my channel, take some time, watch these breakdown tutorials. Alright, backstage stats. Alright, people, cash balance right now, $56.63. Points balance, alright, 10,416 points. That's going to be $104. Alright, $104.16. Alright, that's how much this is. Alright, total amount earned, 2,479. Alright, people. Now you might be hearing some drops in the background, people. This is why I do what I do, people. You gotta understand that you're always gonna need money for something. Alright, like look what happened. I got a little leak right here. Alright, I don't know if y'all can see that, but got like a little leak right here. So this is gonna cost money. Alright, so free online money maker is gonna have to pay for this. Alright, so like I said, it's like you gotta understand, like everything that we're doing on an every single day basis. You want to create. You want to earn $5, $10, $15, $20 every single day. Use that as your investment fund. Use that as a savings to invest in you and invest in yourself on an every single day basis. All right, this is the #1 plan. This is the #1 goal. You're trying to free up your 9 to 5 time. All right, you don't want to go to 9 to 5. You don't want to be wasting those 8 to 11 hours every single day working and traveling every single day. You want to eliminate that. The minute that you can eliminate that, now you can really work on who you want to become, what you want to do, and all your goals and everything that you got to do. All right, so step by step, OfferNation right here. Look, now you can see right here my total amount, $2,479 that I earned. Total amount earned. All right, 1,213 referrals. Like I said, referrals don't matter because it's all about active referrals. All right, most of these referrals probably signed up and never really did anything. All right, so you have to understand that. Don't ever worry about the referrals. All right, go through my channel. I show you how to buy ads. I show you where to share your link, how to share your link, all right, if you want to get referrals. But like I said, just come in here, study this tutorial that I'm about to break down for you right now, and all you got to do is just continue earning, people. Like $5, $10, $15, $20 every single day. It adds up. Use that money to fund your other business venture that you got going, or another way to make more money. All right, we're not using my system forever. My system is here just for people that have zero, or you're in negative and you need to get out immediately. You need some income every single day. This is what my channel is here for. All right. So look, so you still see I still made more by myself without the referral earnings. All right. So you have to understand that you can really, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, of course the 1,100 is good, but even if I didn't have it, it'd still be 13. I still have 1,300 in here. All right. So you gotta understand, every single day you want to just continue to stay focused and stay on that path. Like, yo, I have to get $20 today because that's $600 at the end of the month. That $600 I got to put towards this, right? And in 6 months, I'm going to have $3,600. I could do this. You see what I'm saying? Like, you have to think ahead of time, people. You got to think ahead of time. All right, so let's jump into this. Let me just cash out real quick. Go to withdraw. I'm going to cash out real quick, and we're going to jump into this tutorial right now. Let's go to withdraw. Let's go to convert points first. Go to convert points. I'm gonna withdraw this cash, and I'm just gonna and now with the way I'm gonna do my my tutorials, I'm gonna break them down even more. I'm gonna break down each section of All right, so it's not gonna be a crazy long tutorial, but I'm gonna break down each section. So this is gonna be just one section. Like I said, watch my other videos. I have hundreds of videos, hundreds of tutorials on this same site right here, OfferNation, or I have a different site, or I have another site, right? So it's up to you to watch those different tutorials, because I show you how to use different sections of the site and where to get the money faster. All right, so right here, let's just convert this. We're gonna convert this 56.63. I want this to be $100 real quick. So I'm gonna convert 40. I'm gonna convert just $50. I'm gonna convert $50. So I'm gonna put 5 here. $50 should be, I think, 5,000 points, right? 1, 2, 3. Wait, that's too many zeros. I think it's that. it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. And get rid of the 0 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that should be $50 right here. Let's see. Yep, it's $50. Okay, all right. So now I have $106 here, and I have $54 worth of points. All right, so I'm gonna cash out. I'm gonna do 2 cash outs, double cash out. Let's go to withdraw. And I'm gonna show you how to get the bag faster, people, faster. Because look, pay attention to this. Look, instant PayPal. All right, this is gonna hit my account immediately. All right, look, 1 withdrawal to the maximum of $50 allowed each day. All right, so I'm gonna come here. And I'm gonna put. I always do this. I always put $49.99. Because they say $50, right? So I don't know if it's gonna hold it up or, you know what I mean? I don't know. I just wanted to. It needs to be instant. Now I'm gonna pause the video and log in just to show you guys that it's in here. All right, so I'm gonna hit withdraw. So that's roughly $49.99 right there. And then you have another PayPal right here. All right, PayPal unlimited withdrawals allowed each day. Now this will not. This won't be instant. Like this one is. Like this one's gonna be in the account right now. I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna log in and just to show you guys right now. All right, all logged in. I would have logged in faster. My lady just came in with my son, so I had to help her with some bags. But what you can see right here, $48.99. Now the only reason it's not $49.99 is because PayPal takes I think it's a 1% fee. PayPal takes a 1% fee. So if you don't like the PayPal taking a 1% fee, you get a check sent to your house. You get a gift card. So there's always different ways you could go about that. Me, I just love PayPal. Y'all already know that. So I just go for PayPal. Always PayPal. All right. So you can see that the money did come in immediately. All right. The money came in immediately. It was already there. Let me just jump back into OfferNation. I'm going to jump in here and I'm going to just do this $50 cash out right here. And then we're going to jump straight into this tutorial. All right, so like I said, people, every single day you want to grind. You want to do something, right? I got to work at what time is it? 3:50. I got to work at 7 o'clock. It's a never-ending grind, people, right? I'm putting doubles in my my other job, right? So like you got to understand, sometimes it'll be 18-hour days, right? I don't want to do that. I hate doing that, right? But I have to do it because I need funds. I need money. All right, you got to stop making excuses and you got to go get it. And I'm going to take that money and I'm going to put back into my online, right? Do everything I'm doing online, everything that I want to do and stuff like that. So you got to understand that. You got to fund your future, all right? People, you got to fund your future, all right? So look, another $50 cash out, all right? So it's a $49.99 cash out and a $50 cash out, all right? I probably should have cashed this out a little higher so it could be an even 100, but it's all good. All right, so I still have 664 in the tank right here. And let me just go to home real quick. And you can see I still have 664 here and I still have $54 here. All right, so like I said, the money is here. These sites work, people. These sites work. One site at a time. Use my link in the description so you could get a bonus. All right, if they have a promotional bonus available, you get a bonus. All right. So all right, now first thing I want to tell you guys. All right, you want to go to OfferWalls, go to PeanutLabs. Now, like I said, watch my other tutorials. If you don't want to use PeanutLabs, watch my other tutorial. I'm only going to focus on PeanutLabs right now in this tutorial. All right, because you guys have to understand this is easy money. It's free money every single day on your spare time. If you don't have a car, you can't go out like that. It's quarantine. You're stuck in the house. Get this money. Get this money and fund what you got to fund. Look what I've done. All right, look what I've done. Started from zero, started from nothing, and I've been able to pay everything that I had to pay. I've been able to fund everything I have to fund, right? But now I want to learn how to make $1,000 a day. I want to learn how to make $2,000 a day, right? I don't want to learn how to make $10, $15, $20, $30 a day every single day, right? I want to know how to make $100 a day, $300 a day, $400 a day, right? So that's what I'm working on right now. So like I said, I got you guys. We're going to learn. We're going to level up, right? But for now, if you're not getting nothing, you got to jump on here, all right? So first thing you're going to do is go to OfferWalls, go to PeanutLabs, all right? Like I said, watch my other tutorials. I have way more different providers, and I show you way more different places you could go on the site. But right here, I'm just going to focus on PeanutLabs because it's super easy, super fast, and you can get your $5 every single day on here. Quick. You get $5 and jump on another site. Or just get $5 and then do whatever you was doing and not have to do this again. All right. First thing you want to do is fill out your profile. All right. Fill out your profile. Always remember any of your profile questions. Remember your profile questions because they're gonna ask you again later when you're doing the surveys. You have to answer the same way that you answer your profile questions in the survey questions. The answers that you put, you have to put the same. If you put you make 100 grand a year, make sure you put 100 grand a year. If you feel you work in management, say that you work in management, right? Don't say, oh, I work here, I work. Yeah, the answers have to match up or they're going to kick you out the survey. And another tip is always remember what question kicked you out of a survey. All right. Now these are PeanutLabs. These are not surveys. All right. I'm just giving you an example. PeanutLabs is mostly not surveys, but they do have a lot of surveys here. But it's mostly not surveys. It's mostly offers. See how it says featured offers. All right, so you could do app installs. You could donate and get money. All right, you could actually purchase something if you want to just buy something that you were gonna buy anyway. You could buy on here and get points, and points is money. All right, they send you points. So let's say if you was gonna go buy ABC mouse anyway, all right, get a free $1.14 to buy ABC mouse, right? You're just getting something. If you was gonna donate here, get an extra $9.75 if you was gonna feel like you was gonna donate to kids anyway, right? So it's up to you. All right, so now they got a they got a grocery sweepstakes right here. You could do this too, right? So these are different ways that you could get the bag without having to do survey, right here, get samples. Now when you do the samples, you're gonna have to do a survey right here to get the samples. Same thing right here, free samples, people. And I have a video back in my channel, go through my channel. I have a video where I used to do these surveys and I used to get samples shipped to the house, and I show you guys the unboxing of the samples and everything. All right, so you could just do this. You could do this, get 52 cents, get your samples. Get $1 for it, get your samples, right? Now this right here is $11.38 to donate. So they might want you to donate $10 or $20 or $30, something like that. All right. So now why would I donate $30 to get only $11.38? If you really write off any donations that you write off and you just give it to your tax person, you can get most of that money back from the government. So you guys got to be smart and figure out different ways that you could get in here. All right. Look for another free sample box. All right. So, like I said, these are different ways to do this without surveys. All right, different ways to do this without surveys. Sweepstakes, 57 cents. So you could just do 10 of these, 57 cents. You could do 10 of these. You got 570 every single day. Put that in the PayPal. Add it up over and over. Just keep adding it up. 10 days, you got $50. Every 10 days, you got $50. That's what you really kind of want to look at. 10 days, I got $50 extra that I never had before, and it didn't take me all day to do it. You see what I'm saying? So, like, once you get started, you're going to have to get used to typing faster, reading faster, clicking faster, right? You're going to have to get used to that. You can't just be here and be like, oh, and nah. You want to come in here and really just fly through this, all right? You want to fly through what you're doing, all right? The top survey spot right here, all right, 52 cents. So, like, most of these surveys are 50 cents. And most of these offers are 50 cents, right? So you could do most of these. You could do just 10 of these. You're done for the day. $5. I got $5 on this. I got OfferNation is paying me $5 every single day, which is $150 a month, which is enough to do something. Buy a course, buy a book, do something. If it's not, save the $150 to get another $150, right? And just keep doing that over and over. This is what I've done. I started my landscape business. Started my YouTube channel. This is what I've done, people. I'm showing you what I've done that works for me. You see me cashing out. I'm showing you that it still works, right? So that's why I don't show you 100, 200, 300 different sites like most people do. Most people that do that, they just want to get referrals from everywhere. Like, oh, look at this app. You could make money off this app. My link's in the description, right? I'm not doing that. I'm just showing you, like, yo, this is what works. I've been using this for 2 years, 3 years. I have about 20 different sites like this that I use. Add them up, people. Add them up, all right? So every single year, OfferNation, I know it's paying me at least $1,000 every year, minimum, right? So $500 to $1,000 minimum every single year, right? So that's income. Now imagine you got 10 sites doing that. That's paying you $1,000 every year, $500 every year, over time. This is not get rich quick, over time, right? So you just let it build and let it add up. So it's up to you. Now, me, I'm on a different level where I don't have to do these offers. I don't have to do these surveys, even though I should be doing them, right? I should be doing them on my spare time to make some more money, right? And you just keep clicking here, and it's going to just keep loading. It's going to keep loading more. Keep loading more. Keep loading more, all right? So it's up to you. Hey, what's up, big boy? I'm coming. Hold on. Your milkshake's in the fridge. I'm coming, big boy. So like I said, every day you want to grind. You want to pursue your dreams and your goals and aspirations. Do not let anybody talk to you any different. Everybody told me don't start a YouTube channel. It's stupid. You're going to teach people how to make money online. That's dumb. All right, good boy. Good boy, big guy. Okay, you good. All right. So like I said, people told me don't start your YouTube channel. This is dumb. It's not going to last. You're not making hundreds of dollars every day. Right? But now look. Right? Every month, Google sends me a check. Every day, I have PayPal coming in. Every single day. You know what I'm saying? So you cannot let anybody tell you differently. Whatever you want to do in your mind, go for it, people. Just go for it. Take focus. No excuses. Take action. Everything's in front of you, people. Everything's in front of you, all right? So this is PeanutLabs. Quick way to get this money every single day. Free online money.